Hello to everybody and good afternoon. Happy Tuesday to everyone who's watching this video right now. So today, I'm gonna make a vegetable biryani. So, the ingredients that we'll be needing for our vegetable biryani are the following. We'll be needing a cauliflower. This is 2 cups of cauliflower. This is 1 cup of cabbage, 1 carrot, and 1 potato. I have chunked into this much big so it's easy to cook. And I have here some mint leaves. This mint leaves is from my garden. So normally on winter, now it's summer in Dubai. So actually, mint leaves only stay healthy on winter, so they really produce such a big leaves. This much only I have harvested from my pot, from my balcony. So here I have cilantro, coriander leaves. I have here half cup of fresh green peas. I have here a tomato, 1 tomato, 2 green chili, and for those who doesn't like spicy, just put 1 red chili or put none. That's also okay. And I have here onion. I have cut two onions into this kind of slice. And then on the top of this, we'll be using pure ghee. If you don't have pure ghee, then you can use a normal oil. That is also fine. And then we'll be using also star anise. Star seeds or star anise, we'll be using of those. Maybe 2, 3, 1. I only put 1 for my vegetables and 1 for my rice. And we'll be using cardamom. This is the cardamom. We will be using this. Few of this, 2-3 pieces would be good enough. And we'll be using as well bay leaves, or in Philippines, dahon ng laurel. And then we'll be also using a cinnamon stick. Actually, this cinnamon stick, this kind. This is cinnamon stick. And then for the powder, Indian spices, we'll be using, of course, turmeric, coriander powder, red chili, garam masala, cumin powder. So all those we'll be using as well. So now, let's get started. And now first, I'm gonna boil my rice. Okay, so I have to cook, this is the soaked rice, for 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna boil it, okay, and cook for 70%. Okay, just 70%, because again, we have to cook the rice along with the vegetables later on. So for here, we have to put cinnamon stick. We put it in, bay leaves, and star anise. I have cloves, 3 cloves. I have here cardamom, 2 cardamom. And of course, we have to put the salt. Salt, just half teaspoon will be enough. And half teaspoon of cumin seeds. And I put pure ghee. A pure ghee of 1 tablespoon of pure ghee. Okay, and then let it boil and cook for 70%. for the meantime, we have to cook our vegetable. So now our pan is heated up. We have to put our purgi. So I'm putting purgi, 2 tablespoons of purgi. And then we have to put our whole garam masala. I have here 3 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, star anise, cardamom, 2 numbers, and a bay leaves. Then I'll put half teaspoon of cumin. Then I will add my onion. We have to saute our onion until it gets brown. Saute this. So now this rice is finished. This is 70% cooked. So we have to remove it. Strain the water out. So we are waiting for our vegetables. So as you can see, our onion is cooking. So this is perfect. Now it's brown. You want something like this, brown onion. So let's just cook another few seconds. Then we'll put our ginger garlic paste. This is okay now. It's brown. So we can put our ginger garlic paste. What I'll do, I remove some of this for the toppings later on the top of the rice. So this is perfect. I need to, now we put our ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon. Then just saute for a while, like just a few seconds will be enough. And now we can add on our green chili and a tomato. And we sprinkle a little of salt. And then let's just cook it until the tomato gets becomes soft and smushy. Like for another 1 to 2 minutes. Now the tomato becomes soft. Okay, so after this, we have to put our powder, the spices. I have here 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and salt to taste. So as per to your taste, I'm gonna add here 1 teaspoon of salt. So we have to mix all together. And then after this, we have to put our vegetables. Green peas. And potato. Carrots. Then mix all together. First, let's just cook these three vegetables because it should actually require time to cook. So let's cook this first. So we cover this for like 5 minutes. And now it's time to put our cauliflower. And cabbage. So we will mix it all together. And now we have to sprinkle of water so it doesn't get burned on the bottom. And then after this, let's cover this and cook for like 80%. 70 to 80% we have to cook the vegetables. Ooh, look at our vegetables, looking very nice. So now, let's check if it's, yeah, this is perfect now. This is all okay. So now, this time we can put our coriander leaves. And we'll put our mint leaves. We have to mix all together. Okay, this is okay now. We have to do our arrangement now for the biryani. Now, I have this one for the biryanis. Now, we have to put our half of our vegetable here. We have to transfer it now here. So we have to put half of our vegetables. And then the rice. The rice we have to put inside. Half of the rice we have to put also. So half of the rice. And then again, we have to put our vegetables, the half vegetables. And then the remaining rice. You have to put the remaining rice inside. And then flatten it. And then we'll put our this is the onion that we have fried earlier. So now we have to put it on the top. Turmeric here, like half teaspoon of turmeric and half teaspoon of red chili. So I just have to mix them together like this. So this will be my like food coloring replacement. So now I have to pour this inside. So now let's cover this in a slow flame so it doesn't get burned on the bottom. So make sure it is in the slow gas. So now we cover it. You can see there's a hole in here. This is for the steam, so we don't want our steam to come out. So the rice and the vegetables and the smells, it doesn't come out. So we have to put, this is a foil. Okay, we have to cover it. We have to cover the hole. It's just to cover the hole. Okay, it's covered. So let it cook. Like, you just have to check in between after 10 minutes. Now let's check our biryani. Nice, isn't it? So let's see. Everything is okay. Smell nice. This is my vegetable biryani. So now let's taste this. It's nice. You can have it along with yogurt also. Let's check the vegetables. Vegetable is nice. Now we'll do our plating. Now, this is my vegetable biryani. Smells good. It's just a little spicy there. Really nice. I like it. Cauliflower. Very nice. I like it. You can have it with plain yogurt. But it is my vegetable biryani. Looking very nice and so yummy. So that's all, guys. I hope you enjoy my vegetable biryani recipe today. Until next time, have a nice day. Bye.
Please like and subscribe.